In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme in Bluehost. Whether you're starting a new website or giving your current one a fresh look, changing your theme can significantly enhance your site's design and functionality. Today, we'll walk through these steps together to make it an easy and enjoyable process. First, let's start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once you've logged in, head over to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option called My Sites. This is where you manage any websites you have set up through Bluehost. Locate the site where you want to install or update the theme and click Manage Site. Now, you'll see several options to customize your site. To proceed, look for the button that says Log into WordPress. Clicking this will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. The WordPress dashboard is your command center for every aspect of your site. Now that you're here, turn your attention to the sidebar on the left. This is where you navigate your site's settings, posts, and other essential elements. For changing your theme, move your cursor down to Appearance and then click on Themes. This part of WordPress allows you to manage your active theme and explore others. You'll notice there's a Themes page displaying your current theme and several other options you've installed in the past. To spice things up, we want a new theme. To do this, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Now, you're in the WordPress theme library, a treasure trove of design possibilities. You can browse through popular options, the latest themes, or even utilize the search bar if you have a specific look in mind. When you find a theme that catches your eye, take a moment to hover over it. You'll see two options appear: Install and Preview. If you want to see how the theme looks and feels, click Preview. It's like trying something on before you buy it. If you're satisfied, the next step is to install the theme. Click Install and let WordPress do its thing in the background. But we're not done yet. Now you'll notice that the Install button has transformed into an Activate button. This is crucial because installing a theme is like setting up stage props, but activating it is when you decide to actually use them for your live performance. So go ahead and click Activate, and voila! Your new theme is live on your site for all the world to see. Remember, you can always switch back to previous themes if you change your mind or want to test different looks. That's it. You've just installed a WordPress theme through Bluehost. With these simple steps, you can continually refresh your site to keep up with design trends or personal preferences. Thanks for joining me today, and happy theming!